Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Glastrier from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna begin with drawing his ear with a diagonal curve line right there. Sharp turn back down on the left side. Now inside of that, I'm gonna draw another similar shape at that corner right there, and from the ending point below, I'm gonna extend the right side downwards, and then I'm gonna turn it to the left with a curved line and sharp turn back up diagonally to the other side right there. On the left side of the ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at the base to the left and turn it downwards diagonally to his left eye and semicircular turn downwards at that corner. Below that, I'm gonna draw another diagonal curved line to the snout and semicircular turn downwards at the front part of the snout right there. Turn it inwards and curved line across to the right. Turn it diagonally down to the right at that corner and across with a curved line to the right cheek and turn it upwards diagonally at the right cheek right there. Above that, I'm going to draw a line diagonally up and turn it and sharp turn back to the left and upwards at that corner, and from that point a curved line back to the base of the ear on the right side. For the left ear, I'm gonna copy the same shape on the top left corner of the head right here. Now from the base of the right ear, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the left, turn it slightly downwards, turn it downwards, and diagonal turn to the left to the front of his snout and curved line upwards to the left side of his face. Below that shape on the right corner, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape for his nostril, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Now for the lower part of his mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards from the front tip of the face right there, semicircular turn to the right and diagonal line downwards. Below that, a curved line downwards for the left side of his neck, and on the right side I'm gonna draw another curved line slightly to the right diagonally at this lower point, and on the right side of that a curved line across to the right and to the back, turn it upwards and semicircular turn downwards at the back of the body right there, extend it downwards, curved line inwards at this lower point, semicircular turn back outwards to the legs and stop right there. Now going back to his head, I'm gonna draw some spikes behind the head and his neck. So I'm gonna take a point from the tip of his right ear and draw a diagonal curved line upwards right there, sharp turn back downwards to the back of his head right there. Below that, I'm gonna draw another spike with a curved line out and slightly sideways, sharp turn back downwards to the side of his neck right there, and I'm gonna trace the same shape again at this inner corner, copy that same shape and smaller at this lower point right here. Trace the same outline at this inner corner. Copy the same shape again below that and smaller. Now for his front leg, I'm gonna take this point below the neck and draw a diagonal curve line outwards, turn it downwards below that. And below that, I'm gonna draw an upside down V shape at that corner, and another one on the right side of that, and another one. Turn it sideways, turn it diagonally out and downwards, and turn it back inwards. Semicircle turn outwards again to the lower part of his legs. Semicircle turn inwards diagonally and turn it back outwards at the foot, and semicircle turn at that corner to the left. Curve line across to the left side of that foot. At the left corner right there, I'm going to draw a line upwards, diagonal turn to the right and up, sharp turn downwards. Below that, a diagonal curve line across to the right, sharp turn downwards on the right side, sharp turn back upwards diagonally, sharp turn back down, and turn it downwards to the base of the foot. Now at that ending point, I'm going to draw another line upwards, sharp turn back down diagonally to the left side. On the left side of that, a line upwards, turn it diagonally to the left, sharp turn back down to the left diagonally, and turn it downwards. Above the foot in the middle point, I'm going to draw a curve line up diagonally, turn it out, back inwards, out, and inwards to that upper point. From the side of that line, I'm going to draw a curve line across, turn it diagonally to the right and downwards, turn it back out to the left, in, and back outwards. At this upper point of the legs, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally up, across to the right there, and another curve line downwards at that corner. I'm going to copy the same shape of the legs on the right side right here. Now on the right side of that leg, at this upper point, I'm going to draw a curve line upwards, turn it sideways to the right, and semicircle turn upwards at that corner. At the side of the legs, I'm going to draw another curve line across to the back and to the right, turn it slightly upwards diagonally, and at the back of that, a curve line across to the right. At the side of that, I'm going to draw the hind leg with a diagonal curve line inwards to his knee point and flare it back outwards below the knee point. For his feet, I'm going to take the point at the back and draw a curve line across, turn it diagonally out and back inwards and back out. Curve line across to the left at that corner. And on the left side of that, I'm going to draw a diagonal line upwards, sharp turn back downwards. Another similar shape and smaller on the left side of that, and turn it downwards. Diagonal line again on the left side, sideways and turn it downwards. And curve line across all the way back to the right side. Now at the front part, I'm gonna draw some upside down V shape across the front part right there. And above of that shape, I'm gonna draw a big spike from the left corner, a diagonal line upwards, sharp turn back down on the right side right there. And I'm gonna extend the inner line of that legs downwards. For the other hind leg, I'm gonna copy the same shape again. And this corner right here. Now for his tail, I'm gonna take the point at the back and draw a diagonal curve line up and out, sideways, and turn it downwards. Below that, the curve line across, turn it diagonally down and out, turn it back inwards, diagonal line to the right and downwards, turn it downwards, sideways to the left, diagonal line below that, out and downwards, and turn it back inwards. Mirror the same shape on the left side of that tail right here. And on the right side of that, I'm gonna draw a V shape right there. On the left side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the back. Now on his body, I'm gonna draw some lines at the neck, downwards right there. And on the left side, above his front leg, a curve line across, and in the middle of his chest, a curve line downwards. At the side of his hind leg, at the front point right here, a curve line down, and another one below that. Now below his eye, I'm gonna draw some faint lines. From the inner corner, a diagonal curve line down, curve line across on the right side of that, and diagonal turn back upwards on the right corner. And from the side of his spike on the right side, I'm going to draw a curve line across below the eye right there, and a curve line across below that all the way to the tip of the spike at the side of his head. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.